Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze Chainlink and its token Link. None of the content is financial advice. Right now, Link is up by about 10% over the last 24 hours. Again, over the last 7 days as well. Although it's slightly down, it's doing much better than its peers of the top 50 coins by market cap, which are again launched before 2020. So, Link doing well over the two time periods, the leader over the last 24 hours and on the fourth spot in the last 7 days. Also again doing not so bad over the last 30 days, again down by 17%, where most of the cryptos, again if you take an average, they are down by somewhere between 20 to 25% over the last 90 days as well. Link, again the third best performing crypto, just behind BNB and ETH, up by about 4.5%. Again, this chart is available on cryptoweeklies.com. Link on the bottom of your screen is available for free under the heat map section. Now, if we go and analyze what is the current narrative word cloud available over here, right now the market has about a 50-50 split between the bullish sentiments and bearish sentiments. So a lot of undecided market over here. Still Bitcoin and ETH are one of the more popular crypto related narrative. This is sourced from the last 7 days worth of social media posts related to crypto. Coming to the peak valley analyzer, before we move towards Link and Link's narratives and price action, the peak valley chart over here, it's a composite crypto analyzer. Again, right now the market has cooled off. The risk between 0 and 1 has gone down to 0.37 in the last especially week or so, from 0.5 risk essentially to 0.37, again in this green territory of between 0.2 and 0.4 risk, which is in this green color. The moderate risk is between 0.4 and 0.6. Any time above 0.6 is this orange color. We did come in 2024 December very close to that 0.6 level in early December 2024, but then since that point, again the risk levels have cooled off in 2025. Coming to Link now, Link price action is at around $19. Again, it did have a drop, but still held its support over, one could argue, on this ascending white line over here. And there were some closes below this white line, but largely whenever the price come close to this ascending line, it meets some sort of a support, essentially since 2023 June. The opposite of this is, again, if there is a rally to the upside, again it could meet this ascending bullish line over here from the 2023 peaks. If we were to draw that kind of a line, you would find that it could meet the price action somewhere at the 0.786 Fibonacci level at around $42. And these Fibonacci levels are drawn from the 2021 peak that Link achieved in May to the 2022-2023 bottom at around less than $5. So this is the trajectory per the technical analysis for Link. If there is a high in December, again the first logical area to look for is the 0.786 at $42. Right now the price is about 50% of that price. Again, coming now to the website, the machine learning based price forecast for Link without much euphoria, at a weekly average price, the non-euphoria bull run peak estimate for Link in late December is at around $28. Again, this is a weekly average, so add 10 to 20% to that gets linked to that $32 level. For that candle bodies, the $34 is at around 0.618 fib level. That is within the realms of possibility per the machine learning based model. Again, not financial advice. Coming to the euphoria case for Link is at around $38 towards end of December, again, and adding a 10-20% wiggle room for that candle body shape, that gets the price close to that $42 target, the 0.786. So even the 2 standard deviation euphoria case for Link per the machine learning model trained on the weekly price action since 2017 using seasonal ARIMA, LSTM and XGBoost related machine learning technique, says unless there is a 3 standard deviation 99.7 percentile bull case in the next couple of months, the price ceiling in that scenario is at around late December is at around somewhere close to that low 50s, again at around $49, and adding that 10-20% higher than that is close to that $60 target, which is slightly higher than the previous all-time high at around $52 again. So there is still a scenario per this machine learning model where the price does a new all-time high in this 2025 bull run, but it would take us 3 standard deviation rally. Right now we are again closer to that 1 standard deviation case, not the 2 standard deviation and 3 standard deviation case. So that's the machine learning side of things. Looking at the regression based fair value for Link, that's currently coming in at around $45. That means Link is undervalued with respect to the fair value. Whenever this price goes below the green 1 standard deviation residual, price below this green line usually is a good accumulation territory, not financial advice. If it were to go and do a 1 standard deviation residual to the upside, again toggling between the undervaluation and overvaluation, then price could still theoretically go to that $82 level, which is the 1.618 over here. So the regression based model says that still that a new all-time high at around 1.618 fib level still within the realms of possibility. It would take some doing. All in all, again, if you would to look at the time weighted average price risk, it's fairly low right now. Time weighted average price is around $10.60. Whenever the price was in the bear market below the blue line, that was a great accumulation zone. Again, this line would be more important in mid to late 2026. In terms of the simple moving average base case for Link, right now the risk level is 0.3. If it were to go to somewhere between 0.6 and 0.7, the price in that scenario is forecasted between $34 and $36, slightly above the 0.618 on the Fibonacci level for Link. All in all, again, what we have over here is the base and the bull case on the website. The bull case being $64. Again, we do have a moon boy case again that would require everything to line up perfectly. In that scenario, price could go at around close to that $95 level, slightly higher than the 1.618 on this Fibonacci levels. That's the moon boy case. The bull case is the $64 case, using all of these individual regression and time weighted average and SMA risk based model. The base case is at around $38-39, slightly under that 786 fib level per all of the weighted average on this individual risk based model. The bull case at around $60-65. As mentioned earlier, that's another area of confluence, slightly higher than the previous all-time high between $58 and $65, and the moon boy case coming at around $90-95. With that, I would like to conclude by saying again, most area of confluence closer to that $45 level and stretch at around $60-65, and again the ideal scenario, if everything lines up perfectly, between $90-95. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and check out all of these individual analytics for not just Link but all of the major cryptos by market cap on their USD pair and also their Bitcoin and ETH pair on this website. Hope you like the content. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.